So we're back. Got my welder set up here. I mean, this is just makeshift. And this is, shoot, we'll call it improper welding practices with Josh. Because this is not going to look nice. I don't weld every day. I don't even weld often. So what you're about to see may be horrifying. And there's other factors at play here too, like the fact that I'm welding off of a generator that may have varying power output. So this is all a giant mixed bag of unknowns here. But we're gonna roll with it because I'm having fun. I don't really care. So, all right, let's fire up this generator. Wow. I'm happy to say that didn't turn out horrible. I mean, for exhaust work and for most stuff that's not really thin and your power output's going to affect a whole lot. Yeah, I mean, that was fine. You could hear the generator surging a little bit because the welder takes a little bit different power from, depending on other factors. But that worked out pretty well. The generator seemed to handle it. If it was overloading it, it would have. I've overloaded it before, and it struggles a lot more than that. So that was not bad at all. Cool. That's really cool. That means I get to weld in the storage unit, like for sure. So I get to build this camera stand in here. That'll be one of the next videos. And I have another video planned that involves some welding, some undercar welding, and that can be done here, out of the wind. If it's raining, it doesn't matter. I can just pull in here and do it. So I'm really excited about that. That means that I can really do something with all the stuff I got going on here. Wow. Awesome. So I think I'm going to call it a day on that. That's a really good place to stop. I'm pretty excited right now. Kind of hyped up. So I'm going to go ahead and stop, and we're calling it a day on that. So that's part 2 of, messing around with the generator in the new shop and messing with the welder. So y'all like, comment, subscribe, the usual. You know the thing. You know the deal. and see you next time.